Triangle. Get ready to party old school style. You're invited to the biggest old school party of the year, going down Sunday, September 4th at 44 Soul Cafe.
Hey, yo, check this out.
It's the official Off the Hook Old School Sunday, hosted by Showtime, Mr. Talk of the Town, with music by DJ Supreme. It's Labor Day weekend, so no work on Monday means you can party all night on Sunday. To the sounds of the hottest music from the 80s, 90s, and early 2000s. It's Off the Hook Old School Sunday. Everybody $10 before 11 o'clock with drink and food specials all night long. 7361 Six Forks Road in Raleigh at 44 Soul Cafe. Come out and party with the grown folks of the Triangle. Nothing but good music, good vibes, and beautiful people all night long. Pick up tickets at offthehookoldschool.eventbrite.com.
Brought to you by Showtime, DJ Supreme, Big Kev, and Jay Spivey.